YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Remy Madison, and today I'm coming at you with another shuffle tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the V-step. The V-step is a variation of the running man. Before we start, make sure you follow me on all my other social medias, Instagram, TikTok, at Remy Madison. You can also follow my podcast page and my virtual courses page as well. Put your dancing shoes on and let's go! To do the V-step, you have to be able to do the running man. So let's review. You're going to start with one leg, carrying all the weight. This is going to be your base leg. So I'm starting with my right leg straight down on the ground. With my left leg, I'm acting as if I'm walking up the stairs, so I'm creating a 90-degree angle with my leg so that my thigh is parallel to the ground and my shin is perpendicular to the ground. Staying light on my knees, I'm going to slowly bend my base leg. As I'm bending my base leg, my staircase leg is going to shoot forward and my base leg is going to shoot back. Landing, now creating a triangle with the ground, my feet both landing relatively flat. From this triangle position, I'm now going to switch legs. So again, slightly bending the knees. Now I'm going to take my back leg, drive it up forward into a staircase position while dragging my front leg back, which is now the supporting base leg. Notice again, I'm in the same position I was before, just with the opposite legs. Now that we have our regular running man, which is the base of the V-step, we can just continue following through with our regular running man. In the V-step, instead of landing your front leg straight in a line when you do your running man, you're going to shoot it out on a bit of a diagonal and land on your heel. In your regular running man, see how you follow through with your front foot in a straight line? So as you are driving down your hovering leg into the V-step, here is what your feet are doing. So with the left foot in this case, the foot that is the base leg currently, when you land your hovering foot, your base foot is going to pivot outwards in the direction of the foot. So if it's your left foot, you're going to twist your left foot so that your toes are outward. The foot that is landing, which is the right foot in this case, is going to land on your heel with your toes upward. The only difference between these two running mans is how you land. To get to the next side, it's the exact same thing as the regular running man. You're going to jump your front leg back to the center of your gravity, center of body, and then with the back leg, your base leg, in this case the left leg, you're going to drive your knee up again into the staircase position, and you're going to recenter your body just like in the regular running man. So bending both your knees, you're going to drive your left leg back up to center, staircase, right leg as base leg. From here, it's the same thing we did on the other side. Your left leg, which is the hovering staircase leg, is going to drive outwards and forwards, landing on your heel with your toe up. And your new base leg, which is your right leg, is going to pivot so that your toes are facing towards the right. Here is what the V-step will look like from behind, starting with a regular running man, moving into the V-step. As you can see, when we pick up our staircase leg, we are moving directly back into the center, just like we would in the regular running man. And then we're shooting out on a diagonal, both feet twisting outward, creating a V. And if you notice on the ground, if you're looking at the lines we're moving in the shape of a V. And that's it. There you have your V-step. This is the V-step all together. And that is how you do the V-step. Comment down below what shuffle tutorial you want to see next. I will also be bringing back my shuffle dance classes very. I will let you know when that time. And if you want to watch any more shuffle tutorials or any shuffle dance freestyles, you can check out my playlist. That will be in the description as well. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video in a couple days. Love you so much. Bye!